it seems like AI has been around for a long time, but it's only been 3 years, right, since ChatGPT really broke through. So it seems like things are moving really fast, but we are still very much in the early adopters phase of things.
For sure.
So if you were to think ahead 5 to 10 years, what role will firms like yours play in shaping how companies approach digital transformation or AI adoption?
That's a good question. So if I'm being honest, I'm looking 3 years out, and companies like ours, I believe we need to. So I'll give a really good example. I feel like eventually, if you're doing this service based thing long enough, you should have enough processes and enough know how to create a product or a productized service enough to where AI could really amplify it and allow you to scale it. So I would say that in the next 3 to 5 years, I'm hoping that we're so good at delivering the services that we can deliver or that we're delivering that we have it so buttoned up that AI agents can go out and do the majority, like 80% of all the heavy lifting for all of our projects at scale. And then we have a slick process to then, basically just be like, okay, you want this, do you want this for your company? Do you want, so like ours, like what we specialize in is like we just keep getting better and better and better. Like so we get better with the client that we're working with, we get better with what the things that we build for YoDev. So like eventually I feel like, if you're not really focusing in on productizing what you're doing and then figuring out how you can either replicate that for the client and then sell it for really, really high ticket, or create a product or create some kind of a licensing model of a process or system, I think unfortunately you might fall to the wayside.
Mm.
Because like if you're just offering the manual services and things like that, and you're not thinking about productizing and having that AI edge, I can see that type of model like falling off fairly quickly. It's already falling off. Like a lot of our biggest clients are
Mm.
vendors that do service-based business in replace of AI tools.